Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can hyperlink in your whiteboard presentations on Canva. So let us get started. So guys, head over to your presentation on Canva or whiteboard presentation. And as you can see here, I have added several elements or components. I should rather say components to that whiteboard presentation. So what you want to do, guys, is, well, it works almost the same way as adding hyperlinks to designs and your projects here on Canva usually. So what you want to do is right click into the given component. Let's say, for instance, that shape here, and then choose the option link. You may also use the shortcut Control K or Command K if you're using a Mac. And then you will see this option. So you can, for example, link internally to a project of yours, look for the given project, for example, or link with pages internally of your presentation. Now I'm going to use an external link, for example, I don't know, google.com, navigate to the given site, copy the URL, and then paste it here into that field. Press done or click into done here, and then you will see the link added. You can you will see the thumbnail here, so you can, for example, edit the link, remove it by clicking into this button, and yeah, let me remove it for the sake of this tutorial. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.